Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix horizontal line issue in your CCTV camera. Okay, now you see on the screen horizontal line shown on this CCTV camera. I am going to show you how to fix this problem. This issue usually happens due to power supply problem, damaged sensor, loose cable or faulty camera hardware. Watch the full video to diagnose and solve this problem quickly. Okay, this problem is DVR adapter problem. Now replace DVR adapter and check this video is now working fine. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.